Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you how we can create a company LinkedIn page. Okay, so now we can start. Before that, if you're new on this channel, so please you can hit the subscribe and like button if you like. Okay, so now we can start. Before the creating a LinkedIn company page, must you have a LinkedIn profile, any person LinkedIn profile. So how we will create a LinkedIn page. Okay, so first you can log in into your LinkedIn profile. Then after that, once you can access your profile, so this is my LinkedIn profile. So if I can show you if I can click on the view profile, so this is my LinkedIn profile, and this is my LinkedIn profile landing page URL. So after that, you can click on the for businesses, and you can scroll and you will see there is a create a company page button. So you can click on this, and there is a three option. So you can choose there is a three option. First one is company, and the second one is showcase a page, and the educational institute. So you can select a company, and there you can add your company name. So my company name is a DML training. So this is your company name, and make sure your company name URL is available. So the company URL name is not available. DML training, DML trainings, let me use this. Yeah, so DML trainings, this URL is available, and there you can add your company website URL. So this is my website URL. So let me put it over there, and you can select your industry. So basically this is a marketing, this site is related for the marketing industry. So let me use marketing services, and you can add your organization size. So suppose that we are having around 2 to 10 employees, and after that you can select your organization type. So organization type is public company, self-employed, government agency, non-profit, sole property proprietorship. This is a very hard word. Okay, and so let me select this one, and after that you can upload your company logo. So from there you can select your company logo. So this is a logo, and there you can add your company tagline. So our company tagline is, suppose that this is a tagline. So achieve your goal with a top tier digital marketing training services, and after that you can select I verify that I authorized a representative of this organization. So basically I am providing all the details. So you can select this checkbox. Then after that you can click on the create a page button. Okay, so you can see welcome to your new dashboard. So you can see we have successfully created our LinkedIn page. So you can, if you can wanting to see your LinkedIn page URL, so you can see this is your LinkedIn company page URL. So LinkedIn company, and you can see DML training. So this is your company URL. Okay, if I can remove this thing, so you can see, and view as a member. So if you can click on this, so you are able to view as a member. Suppose that I can show you how you can access. So if I can copy this and I can show you in incognito, so your LinkedIn page is instantly live now. So this is your company name, your category, your tagline, and your logo. So after that you guys can start optimizing your profile details. So from there you can add your company description. So let me copy this. After that, after creating this video, I will going to update my description, because this is a copied description. So that things, this shouldn't be going to work. Description is required, and there we have already added our website URL. My organization doesn't have, so because we have. If you don't have your website, so you can check this box, and after that there you can add your phone number. So plus 9173034720, and the founded is 2024. So this is my founded year. And after that you can click on the save button. So we have successfully added our overview and your page information. So page information is this. From there, if you're wanting to customize your URL, so you can. And after that, if you're wanting, so you can remove your page name. Your URL is something different, so you can also able to do these things. And after that, there is, if you're wanting to add any buttons, so there is an option to you can use custom buttons. So there is a custom buttons icons, and in future we can optimize these things. Okay, so make your page stand out with premium. So if you can use a premium subscription, then you are able to add your custom buttons. Okay, and this is your home, your features. So if you wanting, so you can add your post and the features. This is an overview about your company, workplace, on site. So this is for you. So according to your company, your business nature, you can customize these things. There is a commitment option. Commitment are promised to your employee and a broader community. So this is something different. And from there you can add your company location. So India, and my organization doesn't have a street address. So if your organization or company don't have any physical address, so you can use this option. Either you can fill your all location details, then you can add your company address. So for now I can going to use my street address is D44 gully number 5, Mohan Baba Nagar, Badarpur border, and the city is New Delhi, and the street is Delhi. Zip code is 110044, and the location name is headquarter or office, whatever you wanting. So you can customize your location name. After that you can click on the save changes. So you have successfully added your location name and the lead gen formation, manage languages. So from there you can manage your languages. Okay, so we have using a default English language. So this is a overall customization about your company LinkedIn page, and we have successfully added all the things. So there is your page, post, analytics, feed, activity, inbox, and the edit page. So overall this is the process for the creating a company LinkedIn page. So following these method, you can create your customized company LinkedIn page. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And another things, if you're wanting to see your company page URL, so you can see this is your company overall landing page URL. And if you're wanting to access admin panel, so simply you can click on the view as admin. Okay, so overall I guess you guys got the idea how you can customize your all the things, and from there you guys can update your company banner image. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. And for the last, so okay, yeah, so bye bye and take care.